Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You can wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.